How to make sushi maki rolls. Basic recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup sushi rice, 1.5 cups water, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 4 sheets of nori seaweed. Filling: cooked chicken, salmon, avocado, cucumber, or crab sticks, your choice. Soy sauce, pickled ginger, wasabi for serving. Instructions: 1. Prepare the rice. Rinse the rice 2 to 3 times in cold water. Cook it with water on low heat until soft and sticky. Let it cool slightly, then mix with vinegar, sugar, and salt. 2. Assemble the roll. Place a sheet of nori on a bamboo mat or clean towel. Spread a thin layer of rice evenly on the nori, leaving about 1 centimeter at the top edge. Add your favorite fillings in the center, for example, salmon and cucumber. Roll it tightly using the mat. 3. Cut the roll. Wet a sharp knife and cut the roll into 6 to 8 pieces. 4. Serve. Arrange the sushi on a plate. Serve with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi on the side.